Day 20 of What I Eat in a Day, Valentine's Day edition. So, everything that I had today was obviously healthy, like the rest of the videos that you must have seen earlier, but they had a hint of red because of the Valentine's Day edition. So, the first thing that I had in the morning was this amla, lemon, and strawberry juice. It's red because of the infusion of strawberry in it. Next was this poha, which is looking gorgeously red because of the addition of beetroot juice in it. It tasted like a normal poha because the quantity of the beetroot juice wasn't much, and that's why it didn't affect the flavor of poha. Next are these rice idlis, which I also had in the breakfast. To get this cute heart and star shape, I used a cookie cutter, and to get the red color, I again used beetroot juice in it. Next was this spicy paneer sabzi, which I had with beetroot rotis, and again they were cut out in heart shapes because obviously I had to make everything look cute together. Lastly, had an early dinner, and this was the red pasta, which was obviously not looking that red, but I tried my best.